Schedule a ride on us in the latest Chevrolet Silverado right away. As the Dallas, Texas dealership, concentrating in brand new and certified pre-owned Chevrolet cars, trucks and SUVs in the North Texas area. We service neighborhoods around Dallas such as University Park, Hutchins, Balch Springs, Mesquite, Seagoville and Rowlett. We are a North Texas-based Chevrolet one-stop shop that delivers our customers with warm and friendly and user-friendly staff, comfortable convenience, very good customer assistance reputation. Call if you're looking for a Chevrolet Silverado, or swing on by for a test ride in your dream Silverado today.